So Janvi,
Yes, sir.
now I'm going to take you through the demo. Okay.
Okay.
The demo of the LeadCon app, okay, which can be accessed on your Android phones or the iOS phones, okay, which can be given remotely. So I'm actually going to give you a demo where I am not going to show it to you. You are going to do it on yourself. I'm just going to guide you, okay? While we are trying to give a demo to the customers, this is the exact way that we do it, okay? So that we don't have, because we don't have to be available there, and we do not get chance to go and meet everyone, rather we don't wish to, right? We want to give the demo because it's just a 15-20 minutes demo which can be done over the phone, okay? But for that, knowing where the things are is extremely essential. Now, as I've been giving demos, I know where it is. Slowly, gradually, even you would know where, at where what button is, okay? And that's what we're going to do is. So this demo that we are doing, I would like you to go on, not just do it once but twice, thrice, till you get comfortable and used to it and understand all the different buttons.
Okay.
Shall we go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. The step 1 is downloading the application. So go to the Play Store. Search for LeadCon, LEADCON, without a space. Okay, search, and you should be able to see an application which is called as LeadCon Collar.
Yes.
Correct? Click on it and download the application. Has it started downloading?
Yes.
Once it's downloaded, just let me know. There are times, okay, when this downloading that we are doing has to be also informed to the customer that he can keep the app downloaded.
Okay.
Right? We are doing it right now, but you can ask the customer that, sir, tomorrow is the demo at so and so time. Can you please keep the app downloaded at your end so that we can immediately start the demo? Or you can also call him 5 minutes prior. It just takes like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes to download the app. Right? So keeping that in mind, you can inform the customer that please keep it downloaded so that you can immediately begin the demo. Okay. All right. So now that the app is downloaded, okay,
Yes.
are you able to see the app?
Yes.
Click on the application. Okay. Now you should be on the main page.
Yes.
Where it asks you for login, right?
Yes.
Now, being a demo and being a new user, you can see below there is a section which says new user register. Can you see?
Yes.
Click on that. Right? So now this is basically, we are registering you as a new user. So just put in your name, company name, phone number, email ID. Okay, just put that, and once you are done putting that, just let me know. So while she is putting the information, the most important factor of giving the demos to the customer is that this is the first point where you ask the customer to log in as a new user, only for the demo. The new user registration works only for demo, where we have created a very small version which works only for 7 days, and they can actually try and see all the different type of industry segments that we have added, and experience the application and see why. So if we go back to the element of the value calculator, so in the process of sales, what you're supposed to do is you talk to the customer, depending on the customer's time, you ask him to go through the value calculator. Once the person has gone through the value calculator, you ask him to go through the demo. So you already have these value calculator elements in front of you, so that you know how much time does it take and so on and so forth. How many sales team members does he have, the cost and everything. And then after you give this demo, it becomes easier for you to convince him that, see, whatever we have shown here, the proof, the time that we are saving and the cost, and this, do you really think that it matches? Okay. And that is your direct punchline that, okay, if it matches, why would you like to still use something where you are not saving time or making your sales team members efficient? Why don't you use LeadCon? Okay, that is your first stance, I would say. So have you put in those details?
Yes.
So below you can see there is one section called as business category. Currently it should be LeadCon demo.
Yes.
So if you click on that, you can see there are multiple categories that are given.
Yes.
So the most important factor is while you are doing this demo, you might receive leads from different type of customers from different business sectors which are already here. So you can ask the customer, like, he belongs to which line of business. It could be real estate, it could be manufacturing, it could be services, gyms, spas. There are 30 now and 150 more that we are now adding onto the website. So there are 150 different business sectors for which LeadCon is valid. So you can ask them right from for 30. If the customer does not fit in the demo versions that we have given, you can simply ask him to go for LeadCon demo. So for now, I would like you to choose the version of LeadCon demo.
Yes.
Okay, once you have chosen, below click on get your passkey. Done?
Yes, thank you for choosing the LeadCon as your sales account.
Correct. Click on OK. Now you can see the email ID and the password is already there. Choose the country.
Yeah.
Okay. And below you can click on login. Logged in?
Yes.
Correct. Now you are able to see arrows and there is a get started button.
Yeah.
Click on get started. Now you are on the main page of the application. This is the main landing page of the app, okay, which people will see always, or this is the page from where they will get navigated. LeadCon application is designed on three most important principles, okay, of sales.
Yeah.
The first principle is knowing your customer. As I said, Mercedes, can anyone and everyone buy? No. You need to know whom to sell what. You need to know what their problems are if you're going to offer a solution, or what their goals are, so that you can help your solution to help them achieve their goals. Hence, knowing your customer is very, very important. For the demo, we are going to start off by adding a new lead. So click on add new lead. It's a plus sign in
Yes.
between. So click on add new lead and you can see there is a form which must have opened up, right?
Yes.
Now for the purpose of demo, I would like you to put in your own details.
Okay.
Like let's consider yourself as a customer as of now.
Okay.
So you put in your name, your number, your company name, email ID, everything. And then below on the right hand side, you can see next button. Okay. So please do that. So while you are giving an on-call demo, the most important factor is that you ask the customer to whom you are talking to put his own details, his own email ID, his own phone number, because whatever things we are going to do from the app will reach him if it is his own details. If it is someone's details, then it's difficult for him to experience it at his own level, right? And so that is why we normally ask them to put in their own details. Done? Click on next. And now you can see this is basically a totally custom inquiry form. Correct? The core purpose of this is, as I said, knowing your customer. Right now what you are able to see is a demo form. That's why it says your product name 1,
Yeah.
your product name 2. But in a similar fashion, when the customer buys it, he gets his own inquiry form, or he can create his own custom inquiry form. So now you could possibly choose a certain product. So while you are having a dialogue with the customer, I mean their sales team members, while they are having a dialogue, they can understand the customer better, and they say, okay, he needs product 1, product 3, product 4. In services, he requires service number 2. So please do that. So you can choose those options. Any options. Yeah, I mean this is where the sales team member are connecting with the customers and they are getting better ideas about it, right?
And the customer safety.
Any currently. So these are basically, this is a totally customizable inquiry form. Okay, so the form can be totally customized and it can be added in that format. Okay, done. You have added everything.
Yeah.
Okay, at the end you can see there is a button which says submit.
Yes.
Right, submit. So click on submit. Now there will be a pop-up which says lead saved successfully.
Yes.
Right, and there is view lead.
Yes.
So what does this mean? That whatever was added has been submitted, and now it is saying that would you like to see the lead or add another lead. Okay, so click on view lead. Now it will load and you should be able to see your own name there.
Yes.
This is the lead list. So whenever there are going to be more leads, these will be seen under this area. Okay. So now click on your name. Okay. Now if you scroll up, you can see, scroll up. You can see all your details, the name,
Yes.
number, email ID. These
Yes.
are basically the lead details. If you further scroll up, you can find there is one section at the end which says additional details or details at the end of the lead, where you are able to see the form which you just added. Scroll up and go to the end.
Show lead images, and there
And
is
just before show lead images, what are you able to see?
the name and the details section.
Yes, in the details section,
Yeah.
are you able to see the products and services
Yes,
that you
yes.
have chosen?
The city and the product, your service, service interested in, and the product name, everything.
So whatever you had chosen
Yeah.
in the inquiry form, you are able to see it here.
Yes.
The purpose is that most of the time it so happens that people tend to do notes in the diaries. Now this diary is going to get over in another few days. Then this diary goes into the desk. But what we have done is we have added all the communication or the discussion that happened with the customer in the phone itself or in that area itself, so that it's always in front of you.
Yes.
It's always handy and that space never runs out, right? Or it's not like gonna put it in the desk, right? So you are able to see everything there, right?
Yes.
Now what is the first thing that we are going to do with the customer? We are going to call the customer.
Yes.
Right? So on the left hand side below, you can see there is a call icon, a
Yes.
blue color call icon.
Yes.
Click on that. Being a first time, it may ask you for permissions,
Yes.
right? So it must have opened up a pop-up. Click on allow.
It's you have to enable option of caller app display pop-up window while
Correct.
running in the backend.
Correct. So click
Go
on
to the setting.
correct. So click on go to settings, and now there will be a just turn it on. Click back. Again click on call icon, and now it will ask you for permissions
Yeah.
for making a call. So click on allow.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, and allow. Done. Again click on call icon. These are permissions that we have to take for the first time, one time. Now click on call icon again,
Yeah.
and now you are able to see the
Number.
phone number.
Yes.
Is that the number that you had added?
Yes.
That is the customer number. Click on the number.
Yeah.
Call started.
Yes.
Cut the call. As a matter of fact, now you can see there is a new page that has come up.
Yes.
So you can see the page is changed,
Yes.
right?
Set
Which is a
reminder.
set reminder. The first thing on the top left corner, you can see it says choose lead status.
Yes.
Click on that. These are basically all the different steps that a sale goes through.
Okay.
You remember the steps that we had spoken?
Yes.
These
Yes.
are the steps,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
From prospecting, qualified industry, quotations, negotiations, everything.
Okay.
Okay, so these are basically the additions that we need to add there. So when you do the call, you will either know that okay, this person is relevant for us or not relevant or whatever it is, but you have to put it into some bracket so that the lead moves from one point to another. So click on prospecting.
Yeah.
Okay, after you have done that, you can see there is choose call status.
Yes.
Click on that. I would like you to choose busy as of now.
Okay.
Okay, just for the purpose of demo. What has happened?
Choose number to send SMS.
Click on that. What has happened?
So there is a message that hi Janhavi Deshmukh, I am your name, your company name. I tried reaching you, although your call was busy. Please call back once free. Thank you.
Correct?
Yeah.
So just imagine that Janvi being busy, instead of me just waiting here, chalo baad mein phone kar lenge, we have already added a facility which is totally automated, which at a single click is sending Janvi a reminder that hey, I tried reaching you, please call back.
Yes.
Right? Business ethics and business process, very, very important. Okay, you could send the SMS. Once sent, click on back again. and you should be again on our screen.
Yes.
After choose call status, you can see there is a section which says enter notes.
Yes.
Click on that, and this area is basically where, in case you had a call,
Okay.
you had some discussion, this is the place where you are going to go and write down the details of the call.
Okay.
Like the customer asked to call back in 10 minutes, or customer has asked to send an email, customer has asked to send us an introduction brochure, or whatever it is. It could be anything, that basically the discussion that happens. So you could possibly add certain notes.
Demand of the product.
Yeah, sure. Whatever is the topic of discussion. Okay. Once you have done that, if you scroll up, you can see there is something called as set call reminder.
Yes.
Click on that. This is for setting a callback reminder when the customer asks you to call back,
Okay.
right? Because if the customer doesn't ask you to call back, probably he's not a good customer. But if you do not ask him when to call back, then probably you are a bad salesperson. It's our duty to ensure that we are selling the customer and not the other way around, right? So put up a call reminder. You can
Yeah.
choose the date.
5th. Yeah. The time.
Okay, choose the time, correct? At what time you would like it to ring. And then you can click on set reminder. Okay, and set reminder. Scroll up, and at the end you can see there is a done button. I mean, it's like
Yeah.
done, right? You will come back to the main screen, right?
Yes.
What I want you to do now is I want you to scroll up. Go to the top. Go to the top. And you can see there is one section called as previous notes.
Yes.
Are you able to see whatever you did right now there
Yes.
itself? Yes.
Yeah.
So just imagine next time when the callback comes in, at that time, you don't need to search in some diary or in some Excel sheet or in some CRM. Everything is in front of you, in your hands,
Yes.
right? Now, as she has put in that, the customer has demanded for more information about the product, which could be sent via email, SMS, WhatsApp, right? So next to the call icon, you can see there is email,
Yes.
correct? So, Janvi, how much time do you take to send an email?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, right? So similarly, you are supposed to ask the customer that, sir, how much time do you take to send an email, right? To which the customer responds 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and so on and so forth. So now let's save their time. Okay, click on the email icon. Being the first time, it may ask you for permission, so
Yes.
just allow the permission. Again, click on the email icon. Now you can see there is a set of different templates,
Yes.
right? Choose any one of those.
So I'm choosing products, service details.
Correct. Choose that.
Okay.
Choose the email ID.
Yeah, done.
Okay. It may give you a pop-up.
Yes.
It may ask you Gmail and others. So you can click the email sender, the Gmail sender. What has happened?
Yeah. There's already a message now. Thank you for giving us opportunity to share the details of our products and services. And
Can you scroll up?
Yes.
Can you see the whole mail ready
Yes.
to write?
With the details also. Of
And
the,
is this email personalized to you? Does it say Dear Sir, Madam, or does it say Dear Janvi?
Dear Janvi Deshmukh.
Right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
So you can, on the top, you can just simply click on send.
It's done.
So how much time did you take to send this email?
I guess not even 3 to 4 seconds, I guess.
Right?
Yes.
So from 5 minutes of sending an email, if I'm bringing you down to 3 to 4 seconds, don't you think the time that is now remaining in your hands
Yes.
is something which you can utilize for more?
Yes.
Maybe connect few more?
Definitely.
And that exactly at this point in time, you bring her back to our LeadCon value calculator.
Yes.
Because she had mentioned that she takes 4 minutes and so on and so forth, and you can actually tell her that with us you can do it in just 23 minutes. So do you believe this is now achievable?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Just like we have done email, next to email you can see SMS.
Yes.
Choose that SMS. Choose the template,
It's
whichever you wish.
introductory.
Sure. Choose the phone number.
Again we have it. So there's already a message that we are your company name and we deal with your product name and your service. Our products and services are designed as a solution to your problems. We request you to visit our website, and the website is also there.
Correct. So these are basically the totally customizable templates which you can add as many as you want. You can literally create templates as just hi and hello to a detailed template with all the details of the organization with attachments as far as emails are concerned. Why don't you send the SMS? So during our value calculator you had mentioned you take 3 minutes.
Yes.
Now how much are you taking?
Again seconds.
Right?
Yes.
Similarly, next to SMS you can see there is WhatsApp.
Yes.
Now in WhatsApp we have also given you a facility to choose how you would like to send the WhatsApp.
Okay.
Personal WhatsApp or business WhatsApp. Okay. For this phone you could choose business WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp.
Yeah, so business WhatsApp?
Yeah, choose business WhatsApp. Okay. Now again click on WhatsApp. Choose the template.
Our benefits?
Whichever you wish like. Whichever is necessary.
Okay.
Whichever is necessary to be communicated with the customer.
Okay.
You can choose that template.
Now
Chosen?
the phone number?
Yes.
Yeah.
What has happened?
Searching. Yeah. Again the customized template is there.
On the top, are you able to see some name over there? Or is just the number?
It's just a number.
If you want to send a WhatsApp normally,
Yeah, you have to save the number.
correct?
Yes. Oh yes. Yes.
The reason why I'm having this video or shooting this is because these are the exact expressions what they received. Now that was the reminder.
Reminder, exactly.
Okay, that was the reminder that came in.
Yes.
So if you just from the top, if you just the screen,
Yes,
like a
yes.
notification, if you pull down. Okay, send the WhatsApp first.
Okay.
The reminder, so just pull down from the top, like we pull down the notification, na? No, here, like screen pull
Oh.
down.
Yes.
Are you able to see the reminder?
Yes.
Click on
Demand
that.
of the product.
Where are we?
Yeah. Previous details, we got it. The products, service detail, then the SMS.
Why don't you click on the view customer story?
Okay. Yes. We have the date, the timing, and what kind of.
Communication that
Yes.
was sent.
Yes, we have the whole details.
Did
now.
you have to note down anything anywhere?
No, nothing. I have just clicked and there was a customized template, so it's very, very easy.
Right. So just imagine we are not just helping you save time, but we are ensuring that each and everything that you're doing is handy for you at your
Yes.
disposal. Okay. Just click on back. Okay. Now we are, as you see, next to WhatsApp is social media. So these are basically where you can do a search on social media or connect with the customer over social media. So you could probably click on that once.
Okay. So,
There are different
Yes.
elements. So basically you can add the profile of the customer. You can copy their profile link and put it into the platform. So you're not only saving the details in terms of name, number, email ID or company name, but you're also now adding their social media profiles.
Yes.
So if tomorrow the marketing team of the organization plans to run a campaign on say Facebook or LinkedIn and so on and so forth, and if they already have the data with the links of the customer that they are connected with, it becomes easier also for the marketing team to pinpoint the right people and
Yes.
reach out to them.
yes.
Correct? And that's the idea. Okay. After that, so now we were on the section below. Okay.
So, okay.
Yeah, so you can close it. So, more to it, it's available on the website and you can check those details. Now, let's go on the top. So, you can see there is meeting invites here. Meetings.
Yes, meetings.
Correct. Click on that. And you can see there are set of options which are available.
Yes.
After that, you have connected with the customer. The customer says, "Arey haan, milne ke liye aa jao." Ya fir, I would like to know more. Okay.
Yes.
So, let's try and send a meeting invite. So when you click on meeting invite, you can see it asks meeting purpose, meeting location and date and time. कसं आहे?
मस्त आहे, आवडलं मला. खूप सोपं आहे हे.
Right?
खूप लोकांचं काम हे होईल, टाइम लागणार पण नाही. एका वेळेस 15-20 मीटिंग्स करते.
Correct. That's the purpose. Okay. So let's try and send a meeting invite.
Yes.
So under the meeting purpose, put in the purpose to discuss about our products, you know, or to share more information about the products. Once you have done that, under the location you can add whatever the location is. You can also copy paste the location from Google,
Okay.
or you can also copy paste the location from respective links. So if it's an online meeting, like if it's an online thing, so Zoom link, Google Meets link, so you can, under the place of location, you can paste that link.
Okay.
Choose the date and time. Correct. And after that, click on
Send invite.
yes.
So invite via email, invite via SMS and WhatsApp.
So the beauty is, if you see, we have given you all the possible options of communications which
Yes.
are available right now.
Okay.
So you could possibly choose the one which suits best for the customer, or with which the customer is most comfortable.
Okay.
The idea is that.
Okay.
So how would you like to receive the meeting invite, ma'am?
SMS.
SMS? Please go ahead, choose.
Choose the number. Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Click on send. Now in the message that you have just sent, ma'am, can you see there is a link at the end of it?
Yes.
Click on that link.
Yes.
Okay. What does it say?
The details of the customer, the company name, the date, time, purpose, location,
Right?
and there is
On the top.
accept and deny.
So just imagine, we are not just sending a meeting invite as keeping it professional, but we are also giving a chance to the customer to respond to us whether he wants to accept it or deny it.
Confirmation.
As a confirmation, correct?
Yes.
So click on accept for now. Okay.
Done.
You have also received a notification.
Yes.
So from the notification, just pull down again.
Click on the notification.
Yes.
Yes. Set your reminder for meeting with Janhavi at Pune,
Correct.
6 February, 5.
Click on yes.
Yes.
Where are you?
Oh, there is a page again.
It's the Google Calendar.
Yes.
So we are not only setting up the meeting in the calendar that we offer in our application, but we also help you to put up the same meeting in your calendar, in your
Yes.
phone calendar. On the top you can see it says, set or yes.
Done.
Done, yes. Different phones have got different analogies, so done, yes, set.
Event created, then the calendar has appeared.
Correct?
Yes.
Click on back now. So we have not only added a meeting in our application, but also on the local phone application.
Yes.
Okay?
The page has occurred.
Right. So are you back in our app?
Yes.
Okay. So after the meeting invite, done with the meeting invite?
Yes.
Okay. So again click on meetings.
Meetings.
Okay.
Yes.
The second option is
Navigate to customers.
navigate to customer, right? So if you click on that, what does it say?
Paste address and link.
Right? So the idea is that you can actually put the Google link, the Google pin
Okay.
of the customer.
Okay.
So that next time if you go and wish to visit the customer, you don't have to search. The link is already here in the
Okay.
app. You just have to click on it and it will guide you. Just click on cancel. You can paste it later. You can check it out.
Yes.
Now again click on meetings.
Yes.
Or if you're there, the third option is
Check
check-in. So now let's consider we send a meeting invite, the customer accepted. Now we also put in the details of where the meeting is. We went for the meeting and now it's time to check in into the meeting. and
Yeah.
that's why you have got check-in. So click on check-in. Being the first time, it may ask you for permissions.
Yes.
Okay, the GPS permissions, because without that we cannot accept it. So you can allow that.
Yes.
Okay, done. Permission given.
Yes.
Okay, now again click on meetings and you can click on check-in.
Check.
So after the meeting is done, then you have got checkout.
Checkout.
So click on checkout. But okay, for you guys, such a thing may happen that the network is not available at the customer's end, or he has not turned on the GPS. There are customers who are not immediately ready to give that. But this is a facility which is available under our program, where we can also track the sales team members over GPS against when they go and reach a customer, or when they get out of the meeting from that customer end. Whenever they click on checkout, their pin is being loaded onto the platform, and they can see that where they were for the meeting. Okay, so it's like a tracking system. Okay, after the meetings, next to it is briefcase.
Yes.
Click on briefcase. Briefcase is basically where we have put up all the different marketing collaterals of the organization, which could be PDF, PPT, document, Excel sheet, whatever is necessary for you to share with the customer, so that he can take the buying decision, presenting products and services, answering objections. It's basically all about that.
Okay.
Okay, so where customer asks brochure भेजो, मुझे price sheet भेजो, technical specification sheet भेजो. There could be so many things that are necessary for the marketing team that they need to send to the customer.
Okay.
So you can add all that. So you can choose one.
PPT. Yeah.
Okay.
Load and demo PPT.
Correct. And next to that, you see there is a small share icon.
Yes.
Click on that.
Anyone?
Yeah, anyone.
Yeah.
It's a demo, so yeah.
Yeah. Again, through email, SMS, and WhatsApp.
So how would you like to send it now?
Email.
Please do that.
It's done.
Done.
Yes.
Okay.
Should I send it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Done. Go back to our app. Go back to our app. Are you back in our app?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, cool.
Briefcase.
You are again in briefcase.
Yes.
So after, now that we have done the meetings, we are doing follow-ups, we are going through the whole flow again and again, because building rapport is not as I said, you cannot just take someone for a cup of coffee at your home just because you met him once, right? There is a lot of to and fro which happens. There's a lot of communication that has to go, and after that a time comes when the customer says, ठीक है, अभी मुझे कोड भेज दो. Correct? So next to briefcase, you can see there is update status.
Yes.
Click on that. When you click on update status,
Yes.
it is the same window which opens up, which had opened during our call.
Yes.
So now, where it was earlier prospecting, so now click on prospecting, and now click on quote. Right? After that, click on call status.
Click on call status.
Choose call status.
Yes.
Say call successful, because now the customer has asked for a quote. In the notes, add in send quote for 5 products or whatever.
5 products quote.
Right?
Yeah.
Scroll up and click on done.
Yeah. Done.
Okay, you're back on the main screen.
Yes.
Now,
Data submitted successfully.
right, so now we have gone through the whole process, and now let's send a quote.
Yes.
Shall we? Would you like the sending of the quote to be as simple as the whole thing?
No.
No? You want it to be difficult?
No, this is the most simple thing. I'm just saying that this wouldn't be simple.
Right.
You have to check through again and again the numbers, the digits, everything.
Right. Okay. So now let's make her life easier. On the top right corner, you can see there are 3 dots. On the top right corner.
Yeah.
Okay. Click on those, and you can see there is an option which says create quote.
Yes.
Click on that. Now there will be a pop-up which may ask you, would you like to add taxes or no? So say yes.
Okay.
And now you can see there are 3 different categories.
Yes.
Choose any one. So in a similar fashion for your products, you can have your own master categories.
Okay.
Then a subcategory. Click on that.
Choose subcategory.
And now you are able to see all the,
Yeah, the product which I've chosen.
yes, not only those products, but you are able to see all the different sets of products through which you can send a quote. Now we send a quote via quantity, so you can go and pick up a product. Under the quantity, you can put in the quantity that you wish, you want to give the quote for. Only when you do that, now after you have added the quantity, just next to it, just say add to cart.
Okay. To each product?
Each product, yes.
Add to the cart. Yeah.
Okay. Now the add to cart button must have turned grey.
Yes.
So you can either click on that, or you can also click on the top right corner, there is a cart.
Yes.
Are you able to see all the products there?
Yes. Even the tax. 18%.
Right. If you wish to give a discount on a certain product, under the edit button on the right side, for each product there is a small plus sign DIS.
Yes.
Click on that. And now there is a section which asks you, do you want to give a discount in terms of percentage or in terms of flat discount? So would you like to give a 10% discount, or would you like to give 1000 rupees discount?
Percentage 10%.
Okay, so do that.
Yeah.
Click on update. Done.
Done.
And you can see on the top the prices must have changed.
Yes.
Right? In a similar fashion you can do for the rest of the products. Now just scroll up, and at the end you can see there is continue. Click on that. And now you are on the page where we are going to send the code. Okay, but on the top you can see there is a button which says valid date.
Yes.
Right, so choose a valid date. So what is the meaning of that? That whatever discount or terms you are adding, those are valid till XYZ time. So choose that. Choose a certain date.
Done.
After that, below is notes.
Yes.
So if you want to add a certain notes for this specific code, you can do that. So if you want to add something, do that. Delivery against advance or something like that.
Done.
Done. If you further scroll up, you can see there is a section of shipping.
Yes.
So in case the products require some additional amount to be added as shipping, so you can click on that pencil icon and you can add the shipping as well.
Like 10, 20 rupees, anything.
Whatever. Okay.
Yes.
Done. Further scroll up, and now you can see there are 2 check boxes which says would you like to see the final cost. So click on that. So we have given an option over there where in case if you don't wish to show the final product price, like you want to send the quote as item number wise, only items with the main cost. So you can also do that, or you can put the total price. So choose, currently you can choose that.
Would you like to see the total price on the quotation?
Correct.
Tick.
So tick.
Yes.
And below that is choose
Terms and conditions.
So click on that.
Okay.
You can add multiple terms and conditions to your quotations.
Okay.
So you cannot just need one, but if you have multiple bank accounts, you can do that. If there is, for different product cycles, there are different terms and conditions that the life scale, the life of the product, the guarantee, warranty, whatever different terms and conditions are, you can create multiple terms and conditions. Choose one. Done. If you scroll up, it will ask you to choose the currency. So, being a global app, we also give you a facility to choose the currency in which you wish to send the quote in. Okay. So, if you're selling in US, you could create a quote over dollars. If you're selling in Dubai, dirhams, and vice versa, and so on and so forth.
Choose any.
Choose whichever you wish to. Okay. And at the end, you can see it says submit. Click on that. It will create a quote. And it has given you view and share. So click on share code now. How would you like to share?
Mail. Okay.
Do that.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay. Now, as you're sending via email, why don't you also send via WhatsApp?
Okay. It's sent.
Send.
Yes.
Now, there is a link over there.
Oh. Yes.
Click on that link.
Yes. Every product, the quantity, the price, the total, everything is here. Whole quotation is here. It's easy.
Is it simple?
Very simple. Yes.
So the most important factor is that when it comes to sales, as the time is a crucial aspect, if you are not going to empower the sales team members to, make their lives simpler, they are further not going. I mean, they'll be more frustrated, because just remember, salesperson is the one who is actually facing the customer. He is taking their frustration. The customers, if they are good, but most of the time, "Arey, nahi chahiye." They are going through this whole chaos throughout the day, and we would like to say that this is a solution that we would like to offer, where they have this, they can get rid of the nonsense and focus on the ones which really work. And that's why it's called as lead con, which stands for lead conversion. Do you think with this you would be able to sell more and close more sales?
Yes, definitely.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, go back to the app now. Okay, just click on back. Come back to the screen where we were able to send the call, email, SMS. Again back.
You want this screen?
The lead screen, correct. Now click on view customer story.
Yes, the customer story.
Are you able to see each and every update?
Yes.
Right from the quotation that was sent
Yes,
to
even
everything.
the links.
Right?
Yeah.
So everything is accessible.
True.
Right?
Yes.
Now tell me one thing, while all this was happening, did you write any sales report? No, right? How much time do you take to write a sales report?
10-12 minutes.
Right? To write
Yeah.
a sales report.
Yeah.
Right? Now let's save that time as well.
Okay.
How much time does it take here? How much time does it take here?
0.
0. Let me prove it to you. Go back. Get out of this app now.
Okay.
Okay, get out of this app, and next to the caller app you can see there is the managers app. Can you see LC manager on the main screen from where we logged in? So you can probably, it's on the Play Store. So जिथे आपलं शेवटचं होतं ना तिथेच तू गेलीस तर तिथे तुला LC मॅनेजरचं ॲप दिसेल, राईट? So it's the LeadCon Managers app. Okay, log in with the same email ID with which you had logged in.
Okay.
In the caller app. Okay, and in the password write demo, DEMO.
And manager.
Correct. The page will load and you should be able to see a certain set of things. Scroll up. Now these are the different essentials that we offer. We are the only company which says the health of the organization is dependent on the sales of the organization. Okay, and that's why we have color tagged it. Scroll up, go at the end of the page, and you can see your own name there.
Yes.
Okay, next to it we can see there is view. Click on that, and you should be able to see different set of things: calls, emails, SMS.
Yes.
Right? And also if you further scroll up, prospecting,
Qualified.
code.
Yes.
Is there someone in code?
Yes.
Click on that. Let's see who it is.
Is the customer.
Is the customer, right?
Yes.
And you can see what all things have been done for that customer.
Yes.
click on view customer story there.
Yes.
What is it?
It's there is a time, notes, lead status, call status, the links, everything.
So whatever you did there,
There,
without you writing anything,
yes, the
everything
whole
is here.
update is here.
So do you think now the sales team member needs to write any report?
No, it's already
Correct?
yes.
And that's why this is a zero reporting system,
Okay,
yet efficient. Correct?
correct.
So the most important factor of LeadCon is that it is designed in such a way that the salesperson should feel empowered to do more sales, to access more customers, to deliver more success stories of sales. Because when he is empowered, when he is able to do more, automatically all that sales adds up to nothing but profit, right? So this is the demo that we offer to the customer. After this, as I said, now as you saw, these are the expressions that we always get from the customer. That, oh yeah, oh I got this, oh it is fast, oh nice, oh cool. And you can directly make them relate to this. You now that if you've gone them through the value calculator, you already know the number of sales team members they have. Now the only topic remains is what package of quotation should I send? Should I send the starter pack or the silver pack, the gold pack or the platinum pack? Okay, or the enterprise version. So in the language of LeadCon, on our website, there is a section called as pricing. If you go there, here is the pricing details. Starter pack, which costs 6,000 rupees, professional, which costs 10,000. This is per user per year, and enterprise, which is 15,000 rupees per user per year. So if they click on one, it will directly go to a section in which we have given the assessment, the difference between all the different packages. So you can ask him to go there, check out which package he needs, which one is relevant for him, and then on that basis ask him to choose the package. Just like she has recently sent a quote, the same numbers are available in your app as well for the work from home team. You can go and create a quote and send it to him. Okay?
Yes.
So that is how you give the demo to the customer. Now we have right now given a very basic run through of the demo. There are around 70 odd different features that we have to offer. Okay, there are different elements. There is auto dialer, there is auto connect, there is bulk email SMS. So depending on the request or the requirements of the customer, you can take him to those specific details. All these videos are going to be there on our main website. So this step-by-step guide that we had open, as I was here, I took her through this. But here we have given, how to register and log in, how to add a new lead, how to follow up via call. So each and every element of how to use the application is already given here. These are all individual videos which are available, which can be further sent to the customer directly so that it becomes easier for them. Okay. So that's how you give a demo to the customer, make him feel, make him understand that, why does he need it? Do you need it?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
Right. So, ensure that you close a customer within a week's time. And that is what really happened. If the customer closure goes beyond a week's time, the delay gets added. If you close the customer within 3 to 4 days, the customer buys like that. Because you can actually convince him about the most important factor that he's worried about, and that's time. When he sees this red, you have to convince him time is the essence of today's sales or today's business. If you lose your time, whether it's on sales, whether it's on development, whether it's on being approachable, whether it's about your marketing, if you lose time, you lose everything. Correct? And that is why LeadCon is there. The further training is going to be about when we are going to actually do calls to the customer. And we are going to record it. We are going to actually do calls, and we are going to make them run through the whole process that we did. Or maybe it would be from, like a simple ice breaking to and to bringing them to a closure. And we are going to do that on the call real time. So I'll see you in the next chapter.